Hello everyone, yet again, to Bishoff's Basement. What are we working on today? Well, we are going to do a protractor review. I got a request from a couple students who said that they have not used a protractor, or they don't remember how, in a really long time. So let's do that. This sheet is really short, and we're going to tackle it first. Then we're going to go on to using the compass here and here, and finally the eraser shield. So let's get started. Oh, we will not be using the lettering guide. We don't need it because we can use a ruler, but we'll talk about that later. Okay, so protractors. We have two in our kit. We have a Swingarm Protractor, which I'm really intrigued by because I've never used one of these before. You saw from the video at the beginning of the year, or beginning of the class, a demo on how they use these, and well, it's intriguing, but yeah, I've never used one. Maybe we'll use it later. For today, I'm going to use the little guy right here. Keep in mind that our measuring point, the baseline, is here at this crosshair. For a lot of protractors people are used to, it doesn't have this extension on the bottom to make it 4 inches, right? This is what a typical protractor looks like, and the baseline is down here, and sometimes there's a little hole. In the case for this one, we just have a crosshair, so this is our baseline. The baseline is where 0 degrees lines up with 90 degrees, right at that crosshair. Okay, protractors are used to measure and lay out angles. They come in many sizes and are usually round or semicircular in shape and are generally made of clear tinted plastic. To measure an angle, line up one side of the angle with the baseline of the protractor and place the point or vertex on the angle at the protractor's center point, that being the center point. Then find where the other side of the angle falls on the protractor's graduated degree scale. If the sides of the angles are too short to read, they can be extended with a pencil. So that's a good point. And just for the heck of it, I'm going to show you what they're talking about here. Let's say we're measuring this angle, which I'll do when we get to it. You aren't required to do this one. This is just as an example. Okay. To measure an angle, find where it crosses the graduated lines. So here is our center point, and that's where the angle comes together, right there, right? When we measure out, we see it's 30 degrees. To draw an angle, mark and connect the center point to the graduated angle on the protractor. So if you wanted to draw, in this case, a 100-degree angle, you would come up here and make a point and then draw from that point to that point. And that would be your 100-degree angle. But let's do this down here. Okay. You know what? I just realized we're going to be drawing some angles. So I'm going to get rid of that line. You can ignore that. All right, now once again, you can tear this out of your booklet, or you can do it in the booklet. Normally I tear it out, but, and you know what? I'm going to do that. And we'll get on to it in the next video.